So what's going on in my shed? Quite a bit actually. Well, quite a lot of stuff waiting to be done. But we've got to sell some stuff, as I said before. Hopefully, that's the next little project there, that Mini. So let's hope I can get rid of some stuff so we can crack on. The only problem is I've spent all my budget now, so that's all my working funds gone, because I've got a load sitting there waiting for that to sell, bit sitting over there waiting for that to sell, quite a lot there waiting for that to sell, or we may keep it if I sell another thing that I've got, which I'll just take it outside and show you, which is it was a bit of a rare find, but I'll just go outside and show you what it is. So that there is a 1995 Nissan Safari 2.8 turbo diesel, and it is the cleanest car I've seen in a long while. Underneath it's absolutely mint, no scratches or scrapes or anything. She's an absolute minter. I lucked upon this doing a job for somebody, and they asked me if I wanted to buy it because they had it in their shed and it was not running. So I said, yeah, all right then. And there we go. That's now up for sale as well. So as soon as I've sold that, then I can start getting on with some more projects. Hopefully the Mini is the next one, which will be a pretty cool little project. But yeah, just got to sell that. Hopefully I'll get a bit of money for it, because she is a beauty. And while I'm out here, that's the outside of my little workshop. And up there on the roof, you can see 50 solar panels. So now I'm a green workshop as well, because I could run off grid with that system. It's about 25 kilowatts, 3-phase. So yes, we're very green here, recycling and all that. There's some more solar panels over there as well, but I'm going to take that system off because it's rubbish. Anyway, there we go, look at that. Marvellous, isn't it? So I'd like to introduce you to the latest addition to my tool family. Now, my brother showed me this on Facebook Marketplace actually, and I thought, shit, that's cheap. 2.5 grand it was. I don't know why they sold it so cheap. Well, I do know why they sold it so cheap, because it was noisy and they thought it was buggered. It was out of an engineering shop. Anyway, I contacted them and said, I'll have it. So I went up there with a trailer and paid them their $2,500 and just brought it back without even using it, because, you know, it's a milling machine, isn't it? But what I found when we got it home, we got it all plugged in and turned on, etc., etc. But the bearings were buggered in the motor, and we replaced those. And also the bearings were buggered in the top of here, so I replaced those. That's cost me another $90. Oh my God. And also the power feed was noisy as bugger. And the reason it was noisy was because it was all loose. So I fixed that. And now it does that. So now we've got a really cheap, bloody marvellous milling machine. It's got XY display as well, with everything on it. X, Y and Z actually. Look at that. So now we can do some proper work on it. More cylinder heads and bits and bobs. My brother wants to do his block on here as well. We've got enough room to put a block in there and reface his block. So look at that. Oh, and it comes with that, which is a horizontal mill as well. And it came with the arbors for it, which are down there. All I'm waiting for is my arbor for this, which is a NT40 I've ordered, so I can put my fly cutter on it and some other bits and bobs. But look at that. It really looks like bloody new, to be fair. And everything now works. Even the coolant pump works now after we unblocked it. So God knows why people don't fix stuff themselves, especially not an engineering shop where they'd think, oh, bearings are buggered, we'll fix that. Gear driven head, that's what the only noise you can hear is the gears. But look at that, bloody marvellous. I mean, my old one, which is now up for sale, if anyone wants it, which is over here with a power feed on it, but the bed was just a little bit too short. It does do cylinder heads, but only little ones. So I'm going to get rid of that now, because we got that. So there. Marvellous. Opens up much, much more opportunities of what I can do. And it was cheap as, which is very, very good.